Hi everybody, in this tutorial I want to load a structure made of spaghetti. This structure is symmetrical both in plan and in height. In plan and in height. This is a 3-story structure and I made it from a bending moment frame type, and all the connections are fixed. There's a minimum eccentricity of 5% in this structure that we will call it accidental torsion due to the mass and stiffness, uncertainty, and deviations in design, construction, and loading. In first test, I will distribute the loads symmetrically on their floors, and we will look at the effect of this issue on the seismic excitation in one direction. Okay, I put these loads in center of mass. To see what's the structure response. This structure will excite just in one direction. Okay. As you can see, the movement of this structure in this type of loading is almost regular. Now in second test, I will want to transfer the loads to the one side of the floors and look at the effect of this issue together. I want to move these loads to the one side of the structure. Okay, now I will excite the structure just in one direction. Suppose we want to excite in X direction. Let's start. As you can see, the structure twists in the reciprocating motion. In fact, the distribution of dead loads and live loads on the floors is effective in twisting of the structure. Another main reason for this issue is the displacement of the center of mass in this structure. The center of stiffness location is fixed, but I moved the center of mass by loading. In first test, the center of mass was assumed to be here, but now in second test, the center of mass moved from here to here. This issue is also mentioned in AC7 standard. At the end of this video, we will see the etabs or any software results of structure together. See again. This is torsional irregularity by loads. This will happen in reality, in real structures. Thank you so much. Okay, I modeled this structure in the software and I put the loading in middle beams to see the results. So I selected the middle beams and assigned the wall beams to there. So let's run it. This structure is symmetrical in height and in plane. So let's see the deformation under earthquake in y direction. As you see, there is no any torsion in this structure by this type of loading. Now in second test, I want to move the wall loads to the corner of the plane. Select the beams and assign the desired load to these beams and run again. And watch the deformation by earthquake. So it can be concluded that the loading can be cause torsion in structure, which is mentioned in the ASC 7 standard.